Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can let your TikTok followers control what you're doing on like any game, basically. So make sure you've connected your account to this app, like your TikTok account. Then go to action and events here, and then I'm just going to select no. Under actions, you're going to select create new action, and then I'm just going to name it W, like the W key. Go to simulate keystrokes and then select keystroke. Then you're going to either select from these or type it in yourself. So like when you're walking, obviously you press W on most games. So I'm just going to select W on that. And then if you if you're playing GTA or Forza Horizon, you're obviously going to enable the game compatibility mode, um and then you're just going to press save so that when I guess people do that, hold on. So when I guess people type W, I guess it can control your movement. Just press save and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.